The World Health Organization has declared the monkeypox outbreak a public health emergency of global concern. There are now more than 16,000 cases worldwide. The CDC reports here in the U.S. there are nearly 3,000 confirmed monkeypox cases, and that includes 2 new cases in children, likely the result of household transmission. A live look at the White House now, where lawmakers are calling on the Biden administration to step up its response. 50 House Democrats want the president to declare a public health emergency to accelerate vaccine delivery. And here in the Bay Area, a shortage of monkeypox vaccines is forcing San Francisco General to cancel its upcoming vaccine clinics. KPIX 5's Shawn Chitnis shows us how local agencies are working to get more doses to those who need it most.
Public health agencies are starting another week unsure how much of the monkeypox vaccine they will receive from the federal government. Here at SF General, the San Francisco Department of Public Health announced it is closing the vaccine clinic for monkeypox on Tuesday because they don't have enough doses.
So just to be clear, we're in a bad spot.
Low supply is the struggle for clinics again this week, just as the World Health Organization declared monkeypox a global emergency over the weekend.
If we can have adequate supply in 2 or 3 months instead of 6 or 9 months, that's a big benefit.
State Senator Scott Wiener says he knows there will not be enough vaccine in the near future, but still thinks the process can be sped up to reduce the delay. Sharing the license for the vaccine so other companies can manufacture it will be crucial.
This is not a gay disease. In Africa, everyone was impacted by monkeypox.
He says there still isn't enough public awareness about this disease, so the senator wants emergency funding from the state legislature approved by next month to improve testing and education.
Folks who essentially by nature have to encounter anonymous people and have to, do these sort of things in order to survive.
Strut in San Francisco's Castro neighborhood will get 200 doses to use this weekend, but its wait list remains at 6,500 people. And AIDS Project of the East Bay will get its first shipment of the vaccine this week. Only 50 doses at first, scheduling clinics at LGBTQ businesses where they can find those most in need, which includes men having sex with men and sex workers.
You're doing sex work, it's 9 times out of 10 for survival. And so people are doing this because this is their means of feeding themselves or finding shelter.
This approach hopes to help slow down the spread among certain demographics now so that it doesn't have to be a larger public health crisis later.
If we don't control this will spread into the general community and it will be an issue for everyone.
Shawn Chitnis, KPIX 5.